All right, what we've done here is we've laid our 4-inch solid concrete block on top of a concrete bed that's on top of 30 inches of crushed stone compacted below grade. We screed off this soft concrete mix between that block and that block. Now these blocks are exactly to the grade we want the bottom of the step to sit, and they have a built-in pitch forward. So we'll set that concrete a smidge high. We set our special sauce on top of that mix and on top of the blocks. And what that does when we set our step down, the granite has these notches cut in the bottom of it. It's going to sandwich down onto the block. The special sauce will suck up into the notches that we've cut out. And what that does is stick everything, bond everything to the concrete, and prevent the granite from sliding forward in the future. All right, touch it down, my friend. Put that bubble level across the tread. Shows you I have a built-in pitch. I don't have a square that's big enough to tell me if the piece that runs back here is square. So just take my 6-foot level and extend the line. Tells me everything I need to know. Our first step here has the built-in pitch this way. So as long as I'm flat on my stone and that profile continues here, my bubble's good. All my steps now are gonna have a built-in pitch. I just need to make sure I'm perfectly level as I work my way up the pitch between these two pieces, and we're good to go. Good. Two down and 2 to go. Hold that. Yep. I'm here, guys. All set. Drop down. No, I'm just packing in the back. Steps are done, looking great. What we're gonna do now is boulder in along this line up to this elevation here. That'll allow us to fill our soil and our walkway up to this elevation, prevent all that soil and everything from washing onto the new pool patio. Boulders are being delivered tomorrow. And now we start the process of excavating for our walkway. We go from the stairs, this direction, all the way to the deck. Progress. See you next time.